Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautostore.com. I'd like to share with you a quick video. This is the 1986 GMC truck cab. In previous videos we shared with you where we had it sandblasted to bare metal. They did a lot of prep work to get ready for epoxy, and then they epoxied the whole thing to seal it both underneath and inside. And a lot of work has happened since then, because then what they did is they prepped it once again, sanded it all and got it ready for this black finish top coat, but just in the interior, the whole underside of the cab and the front firewall. There's going to be a little bit of overspray on the exterior, so on the top of the roof, these pillars and along the sides here, but they'll still be doing some body work on that, and they'll mask all this off. So we'll just briefly walk around. So you can see the front, it's all now, this is finished high gloss black. This is going to be the color of the truck when it's completed. So you can see how nice it is. It's got quite a nice shine to it, and they've got in all the nooks and crannies. So this truck originally was like a gold or tan color, and now you can see with a full color change, there's no evidence of any other previous color. It's now, you would swear it came from the factory black. So a lot of people would not go to this extent where they would spray inside and finish the whole thing with a gloss black, but we like to do this to protect everything and to give it layers of finish. And then you can see, so essentially the main reason why we've done that is to do the dash, the roof lines, the whole underside of the cab and the front firewall. So now what it allows us to do is to set it back on the frame, because the frame is reconditioned. So we can set it back on the frame, the box will not be on it, and then we'll do the body work on the doors, and then we'll dry fit the doors, because there's some door dings and so on that we'll deal with. But what they do is they mask off the whole inside of the truck and protect that front cowl and firewall, and then we'll finish with the body work. So it's nice to have this finished black on the bottom side of the firewall. It just makes it easier so we can set it back on the frame. So this is the 1986 GMC regular cab short bed truck cab, and I'm John from lastchanceautostore.com.